Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the system for an offline scan. Make sure Windows Update is current and that you're signed in with admin rights. Once done, save any open work because the PC will restart into a special environment. Now open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, then choose Scan Options. Select Windows Defender Offline and click Scan Now. This triggers an immediate reboot into the offline scanner so it can examine files without Windows running. Once the machine restarts, Windows Defender Offline updates its threat definitions and starts a thorough scan of system files and boot sectors. You'll see progress indicators and detected issues. Let it complete without interrupting power or forcing shutdown. If you need to review results afterward, Windows will return to the desktop and show a summary in Windows Security. Make sure to note any recommended actions, like quarantine or removal, so you can act after login. After the scan finishes, Windows restarts to the desktop, and you should immediately review protection history in Windows Security to see quarantined or removed items. If issues remain, run a full online scan and consider creating Microsoft Defender Offline Rescue Media to scan from USB. If the offline scan fails to start or completes with errors, make sure Windows is updated, disable third-party security temporarily, and retry. If problems continue, boot from recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.